Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of React Native. So today we are going to learn how to create this kind of swiper image in React Native. And you can see that we have zoom in, zoom out functionality also. So how we are going to use this. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like it. So let's start the tutorial. So I'm using this package for this one. So this is React Native gallery swiper. Okay, you can see that we have a gallery. Okay, number of images we have, then we can swipe at the same moment, and we can also same out, then pinch it out also. Okay, with this one, double tap, zoom. Okay, so this kind of feature this plugin provides, so you can use this plugin. So it's very easy and very simple. Okay, so you can see that the same functionality we have also implemented, right? What we have to do is just install this React Native gallery swiper. Okay, after this you need to just import gallery swiper, and in the gallery swiper you need to pass the array of images. Okay, that's it. If you want the use any of the other props like the images with the dimensions and all, you can use the images parameter. They have a style, initial page image, okay, resize mode. They have an image component, right, error component, initial number to render, flat list props, page margin, sensitive scroll, on page selected, on page state changed, on page scroll. So all these are kind of props we can on long press what we have to do cache, right? So these kind of things are available for the for enhancing the React Native gallery image. So you can use these props, but if you add this one only, this part only, it will give you the this part, it will give you that part, right? So you can directly use this one and use the swipe gallery image like this. Okay, so I will also show my code what I have done, so you will get to know about. You can see that here we can see that we have used gallery. I'm just combining with the test data, but I'm not using it because if you can use, you can use it, right? I'm passing the images, the gallery swiper, right? And we have a styles, nothing else. Okay, so it's very easy, very simple. Any query, any doubt, any that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.